In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search messages in Lark. If you've ever spent too much time scrolling through chats trying to find a specific message, this will save you a ton of effort. We'll walk through where to start, what you'll see, and how to jump straight to the message you need, all in a clear and simple way. Begin by opening the Lark app. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or computer. The process is the same at its core. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the search bar. This bar is your gateway to everything you've shared or received across chats, contacts, and content. If you're on a computer, there's a faster way to open search without touching your mouse. Press Ctrl+K on Windows, or Command+K on a Mac. This instantly brings the search field into focus, so you can start typing right away. It's a small shortcut that makes a big difference when you're switching between tasks. Now, type a keyword you want to find. Think about the most distinctive word or phrase related to what you're looking for. Maybe a project name, a topic, or part of a sentence you remember. Short, specific words usually work best. As you type, Lark starts pulling up results in real time, so you'll often see what you need after just a few characters. Your results will be grouped by category to help you scan quickly. You'll see messages, which display snippets of chat content, chats, which point you to specific conversations or groups, contacts, so you can jump to a person, and files, docs, and events, which surface shared content and calendar items. This organization lets you zero in on the right type of result without wading through everything at once. When you spot the message you were looking for, tap or click it to open it in context. This means Lark jumps right to that point in the conversation, so you can read what came before and after to understand the full thread. It's especially helpful when the snippet alone isn't enough to jog your memory. If your first search doesn't bring up what you expected, try a different keyword or the name of the person who sent it. Even small changes, like using a more unique term or fixing a typo, can surface what you need. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, use the search bar or the keyboard shortcut on desktop, type your keyword, browse the organized results, and open the message in context. With these steps, finding anything in Lark becomes quick and effortless.